Welcome back to Learn Brizy Cloud with JP, and this is the final video in our starter kit for Brizy Cloud Free 2022. This has been quite a long journey, and if you're brand new to website making, there's still a long road to walk along this path, and you will find that every day is a learning experience, even for those who have been doing it for a long time. Things change. If I just look at this builder and compare it to a few years ago, it's a complete different creature, especially in the world of website making. Things are changing fast, and I anticipate that a year from now, I'll have to redo most of these videos because things would have also changed quite a lot. We haven't even covered, I would say, 60%, 70% of what you can do in Brizy Cloud Free. And then when you bring into the mix Brizy Cloud Pro, there's so much more. So in this final video, I just want to kind of pitch Brizy Cloud Pro, though if you can achieve it with free, you should just stick to free. Make yourself happy, save some money. But if you do want to go that extra step, you need to think of Pro. I'm very happy with my Pro. I paid for it myself, so I cannot complain and say that somebody gave it to me and that's why I am advertising it. I use it and I find it very useful. The more you look at the videos on this channel, the more you will also understand what kind of websites can be made with Brizy Cloud, and especially in Brizy Cloud Pro. Follow the link in the description below and go have a look at the pricing structure. The first one is $10 per month, and this is really why it's called personal. Maybe you have a small business, you have a little home bakery, or you have a small office, a coffee shop, or you are a hobbyist. I have so many family members that are experts in their field, some of them retired, and I keep on encouraging them to just put what they know out there for the world. Put it on a website. Stay active, and websites can help with that, and personal is great here. And with the videos we have here, you will learn how to do that. Upcoming videos on this channel include blogging. I know e-commerce is in the works. We have stories. We have advanced custom fields, so many things, and multilingual websites. So much you can do with it. So personal really is if you just have your own little, I refer to it as a yellow pages website. And that is where you just want your site there. People are sitting Sunday, they don't know what to do. You have a little bistro somewhere outside of town, and people search around on the internet, and this is where they're going to find it online. Put a map there so that they can find you. Put a contact form there so they can reach out to you. And this is where personal becomes very important. You get the pro features I've mentioned, and also when they send you an email, you will receive it. Between personal, freelancer, the major differences are that you get more sites that you can work with. Personal, it's 1. And freelancer, it's 20. And with that, for each site, you also get workspaces. And we'll talk about workspaces. The idea behind a workspace is that you create like an office, a workspace with team members, and only those team members have access to that workspace. If I work for company A and I do a project for company B, I don't want these two to know about each other's projects. So what I do is I create a workspace for A and B, and I throw the different teams, and they have access to the sites, and they can go look at the websites in those environments. The other thing that you get extra here is membership functionality, which is where you will have people maybe pay to access your site, and only certain things they have access to. And finally, when you get to agency, you are working with 100 hosted sites. And then you also have options for 5 domains. This one, 2 domains only, and white label for people who want to present the product as if it's their own. Check out for the sales. If you want to have a discount, wait for things like Halloween, Black Friday, Christmas. There's always sales happening around the internet. Then if you want to have a look at what's going on in terms of what you get in terms of functionality, then check here on the Compare Cloud plans. And I think most of it happens between free and freelancer. And you will see for a number of these, they're all the same. And as you go down, you will see here Pro Design, vectors, display conditions, fonts manager, pop-up builder, no. Blogging functionality, no. Dynamic content, these things are not included in the free version. And then you have some export to HTML, VIP support, white label, publish sites on third-party, all of this, and that goes under the agency. So have a look at that, decide what works for you, but my recommendation is play around with the free version as long as you can, get used to it, feel comfortable with it, so that when you make that decision to go freelancer, personal, or agency, you know what you're in for. Appreciate all the support. Look forward to the next videos coming up, and I'll see you around. From me, JP, go well, stay safe, and take care.